Hello friends, welcome back to Future Genius. So friends, in today's lecture we'll discuss about
How to conduct a literature review on a blockchain. Our main question is that the a case study on a overview of a blockchain technology means architecture of blockchain, consequences and future trend of a blockchain. Let us start with what is the meaning of literature review. The definition of literature review is: literature review is a systematic examination and interpretation of the existing research related to a specific topic. Means we are reviewing the topics which have already been researched by the other researchers, and interpreting the context which have already been written by the researchers. Why we have selected this topic? Why we have selected a blockchain? The purpose of selecting this topic is understanding the current state of the knowledge, identify the research gap, contextualization your studies within the broader field. Why review blockchain literature? The blockchain has a diverse application. Research is rapidly evolving. Help identify the trend and challenges innovation in the field of blockchain. We have selected this blockchain because it is a trendy topic and it is highly trend in a field of cryptocurrency and healthcare centers. And we are trying to find the future trends in the blockchain field. Step to be conducted in a literature review. First step, define your research question. Second, search for a relevant research. Third, evaluate and select source. Fourth, organize and synthesize information. Write a review. The first step means define your research question. You should be specific with your question you have selected or the topic you have selected. Search for a relevant literature means you have to search for keywords which you will be using in your research question. Evaluate and the select source. Try to evaluate the most recommended source or the topic which is related to your question. Organize and synthesize the information, and finally write the review on that question. How to define your research question? The example of the selected paper can be: what are the functional concept of the blockchain technology? Here we have specified the proper definition. What is the we are finding for the fundamental concept of the blockchain. Similarly, we are finding the mechanism address decentralization and the challenges we face in the blockchain. You should be specific and niche area within the blockchain. Second step, search for a relevant literatures from where you can find the research paper or relevant sources from which you can do a review paper. Use a database can be IEEE Explorer, Google Scholar Scoops and related for related papers. Keyword use proper keywords to get relevant resources for a literature review. Like for we have selected a blockchain, so we will find a keyword for a blockchain architecture, blockchain consequence mechanism and future trend in the blockchain. These are the three main keywords of our topic or our review question. Third, the evaluate and the select sources. Now then after finding the sources, we have to evaluate the sources according to our need. Relevance, discuss the core aspect of the blockchain. Credibility, published in a pre-reviewed IEEE journals. Publication date 2017 means it is telling about that we have to find the we have to review the paper which have been published before, which have been published on 2017 or after 2017. As the time is moving, the technology will also be upgrading, so there is no purpose of reviewing the paper before 2017. Organize and synthesize information. The information which we have got from the research paper or other papers or other sources, we have to organize according to a specific topic or a specific theme. means the architecture should be, all the architecture concepts should be defined under architecture theme. The consequence mechanism, or the mechanism of the blockchain should be defined, the consequence mechanism. Challenges and the trend means the future trend and the challenges we are facing nowadays with the blockchain, and the solution of that challenges, and what will be the trend in the future of the blockchain. Create a summary table means a short summary or a short review, can be a review of a short review can be created in this short summary table, or the mainly highlighting the key points or a key definition of the paper, which will include all the review in short. Identify the trend. Highlight the emerging solution and the ongoing debates on the topic or the trend which is going related to a blockchain. We will according to our topic we can specify the trend which is going with the crypto mining with the help of blockchain. Step 5, write the review. How we can write a review? First start with introduction, which include definition, scope and the purpose, which means the definition means the topic which we have selected or the question which we have selected should be defined properly. What is the scope? What is the purpose of that selecting that specific topic? Then body. This include the literature or the content which we have find out from the research papers or the related study which we have done for the review, literature review. Conclusion means summarizing your review paper and highlighting the research gap, the gap between two research done by the different researchers. Tips for the writing review: use the clear and consequence language.